Hi there and welcome everyone to a new gigs tutorial here from rackmedia.com. In today's video we'll be showing you how to create a custom URL for your Facebook page without need to wait for a long period of time to get likes. Welcome back. So first of all, you head on to the page you want to change its username, or if you want to create your first username. So just head on to your page. Our case here is Gigs Tutorial channel, which we encourage you to like it in order to find useful tutorials and tricks and tips and reviews. Okay. So first of all, you head on to create page username, click on it. This will open a new window in which you will have a box to write your username, as simple as that. Okay, so you type in your username. Here we'll select gigs tutorials,
www.rackmedia.com.
tutorials. Let's check here, it's available, but here what we need to mention that the system does not accept any other symbols. Let's take example the apostrophe. Okay, as you can see, the username isn't available, but in fact the problem is in relate to this kind of characters or symbols. Also the same for the hyphen, it's not accepted, and the space also is not accepted. So the only character you can use is just the full stop, which can make a space or separate two names of your channels, as in our case here. Okay. After being confirmed that the username is available and eligible to be claimed, you can also you can also head on to choosing a username help. Here you will find tips on how to select your username without facing any problems if you are not lucky to get accepted. After the channel has been verified and is available, you will receive a green tick. All you need to do next is just to click on create username. Let's click on it, wait a few seconds. Okay, so you are all set. Success message. The username Gigs Tutorial has been created for Gigs Tutorial, and as you can see we have just created the page, so no need to wait for having 1000 or 10,000 likes or subscribers in order to have a custom username like in our case. Click on OK. So let's check now. Et voila, so as you can see it has been named Gigs Tutorial.
www.rackmedia.com.
Whenever we type in the name in the search box, you will find your channel without having any other figures or numbers which are hard to remember. So this will help your fans to easily find your page and follow you, and of course increase your followers and likers. I hope you have liked this tip. Don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook page to receive other tips and other great tutorials to get your skills up, and see you next video. Peace. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do consider sharing it. Click on the like button and go ahead and leave us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and the notifications to get the latest tutorials that will inspire, empower and connect you.
www.rackmedia.com.
Bye for now, see you next video.